It is currently 6:45 in the morning, and for those of you who don't know, I'm in Guatemala right now with a group of people who watch these videos. We invited them to come here. We're going on an epic trip throughout Guatemala, and then we're spending a few days repairing a school. And today is the first day we get to go to that school. Look at this. There's mangoes on our walk to breakfast. What? It's on the ground. Oh my god, it's so ripe. Like, it's amazingly ripe. Another mango. Another mango. They're all over. This should be our breakfast. This is our breakfast. Another mango, another mango. They're all over. Morning. Morning. This is Paneas, and he was the president of the town that we're going to build or repair the school in, and he was going to ride his bike up the hill, but we're going to give him a ride. We can't make him ride his bike. It's the president.
So there's a little bit of an emergency. Last time we were here, we expanded the project from just the primary school to a health center. There's holes in the roof, which means it's raining during rainy season into the health center. So when women are having babies or getting taken care of in the health center, there's water everywhere. So they asked us if we'd help with that. So of course we said yes, and we added onto the project. So now we have even more impact that we're all gonna be able to make. And thanks to everybody coming on this trip, we're able to buy all the materials for these projects. And so as you guys will see, look at everyone lining up right now. This is all to see us right now. Those banners are for us, are those little things that they made. Hola. 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 So it looks like a lot of people are gathering around to thank us, show their appreciation for what we're doing, and it's overwhelming. I'm trying to take it all in, but this is a pretty powerful experience. This is the roof that is going to be installed in the health center so that there's no more leaks. Women who are pregnant, don't get water dripping on them. Medicine doesn't get spoiled, so it's very important. Hola a todos. Hola. Buenos días. Hola. You're recording, right? Yeah. Well, I'm gonna go like this. Say a few words. So I didn't expect there to be all these people gathered here to show their appreciation and thank us and show their support, because it's more eyeballs on us, and it's a very powerful experience. It's overwhelming. Like, I'm trying to suppress, Thank you guys so much. This really means a lot. And we're really gonna help the community here. Wow. We did this. And it's just the beginning.
Sorry, buddy. We're here with you, man. We're here with you. Everybody get it in here right now. Did you try? Right, let's do this, guys.
Get out here. Come in here.
I don't want to cry again.
Sweaty.
Sweaty. trabajar de la mano, que queremos proyectos para la comunidad.
So I'm gonna give you a resume of that.
Yeah.
Resume, yes. Sure. So she's saying that she really appreciates all the help that they are gonna get, and she also wants to give the thanks to the mayor from Chiquimula because thanks to him, Dallas and you are keeping in touch, and this is not the only time that you're gonna come. I mean, more people from the Vivid Roots crew are gonna be coming, and they're gonna be helping all these people. So everybody is gonna get a benefit, a huge benefit from you guys, and all the money that you're donating for the community.
No se puede hacer con los fondos municipales porque no alcanzan y no se pueden meter los consejos de desarrollo porque resulta que no se me encuentran los papeles legales.
It was so fast. So I give you a brief. He's explaining that all the help that you're providing for these people are gonna benefit. It's gonna benefit all these women who are pregnant and they are about to deliver babies because they didn't have a safe place or enough supplies for them. The mayor from Chiquimula has the desire to help, but sometimes he doesn't have enough money to help these people.
We're just getting a tour of this health center right now to see the extent of the damage and then what it's going to look like when we fix it. All this is just like wrecked from the rain. You can see like this is all molded up here. More mold up there on the ceiling. Like how would you feel if you were a woman and had to come here for like a medical procedure or like for a baby or something like
something would happen, like scared for
Yeah.
my life and my child's life. Awful.
like this is a place that would get you sick.
Right.
The last thing you want from going to a medical center is to get more sick going into that center. And it's just very important that this was added onto the project. So this whole roof is going to get replaced because it breaks and it cracks like you can see right here. And you can see right through. It's all going to be sheet metal now so that it won't leak. We're going on a little tour of the school and see where we can lend a hand.
This is one thing you notice they already ripped the roof off of this bad boy. This is one of the classrooms that they have multiple classes in. So we're gonna build a wall here and a roof here.
Hola, amigas.
Yeah.
Hey, yeah. Half the kids are in class, half the kids are just running around. It seems like there's not enough teachers here to manage all the kids. And this is their water situation.
Have a little bit more hygiene. So that's going to be something that we'll be putting in. You'll see. And then we'll go out back.
The little water tap you saw is how they get all their water right now. The kids wash their hands in it, they wash their feet, wash their face, they cook with it. Behind me are the washrooms, and there's no water to the washrooms, so you literally have to take a bucket of water and pour it down the bowl so that everything flushes away. Part of what we're going to do is install plumbing so that water can be in these toilets and they can have running water. And we're also going to install a water tower so that in the dry season it'll contain water and that they can use that water, when there's not much rain. So this right now is their arena for playing soccer. There's just like plastic bottles, and that is making a ring. Boom! I'm like, boom! 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 Boom!
There we go.
Okay, pónganme a trabajar que me dan a mí. Dale.
This behind me was one of the classrooms, and they've already removed the roof, and we're going to reinstall a brand new roof. Half of us are sitting on buckets. We're now back at the medical center. The roof is actually done. Like, that took half a day. I don't know how long they've needed a roof, but just, you know, they have enough hands, they have the resources, they just need the funding to do it. And with the right funding, in half a day, the roof is now fixed. So we're here just cleaning up all the mess that was the old roof, all the old shingles, and yeah, let's get sweaty. I really hope that the camera saw anything because I climbed halfway up a water tower to get that shot. Some of the local kids just showed up. They came running up to us with empty buckets, ready to work and participate, and it's just amazing to see the support from the community here. So before all this was open, now there's an actual roof, so no more water in this area. This looks like the waiting room. Hola! Hello. And this is Jessica. Hola. She is incredible. She is a huge part of why we're here, and this would not have happened without her. So from everyone watching to you, a big high five, and we love you. So before that was just open, and you can see that, you know, the aluminum is in there, so no more water on this side, and that will get replaced. Guys, how was that?
Amazing.
Awesome.
I
Yeah, you
wasn't sure you were
tired?
asking.
Okay.
Tired and dirty. Ready to shower. Actually, ready to jump in the pool.
Very rewarding.
Yeah.
Yeah. Was it an easy day one? Half easy day one?
Yeah, we got to play around with the kids a lot, which was fun.
Yeah.
So, yeah, now we're sweaty, dirty, tired.
We're back after a very hot, long day. We had 2 people that felt very ill. 1 from the altitude, 2 from the heat, and 3 from not, drinking enough water because we sweat so much. Today was just kind of seeing, where our funding has gone, and it's gone to a lot of supplies. It's gone to paying, the locals here to do some of the work because we can't set foundations and set concrete and cut metal and weld, and all that stuff needs to be done by locals. So we're bringing jobs to Guatemala, which is great. And all the money is being spent here. The supplies are being spent here, so it's all staying within Guatemala. You guys already saw It was a very emotional day, and the next few days are going to be just as amazing. And along this journey, we have some extra surprises.
And I can't wait for that reveal for the kids. I didn't know that they didn't know about the playground yet, so that's so awesome.
We wanted the kids to have something that they could have fun on. So this is sponsored by Hopscotch the Globe.